It is very,
Thanks to
very
the
important.
officials.
That's what I was trying to tell you, that ISGH is the biggest organization in North America, no doubt about that, And we have many other organizations. For example, PAGH is a big organization. Bangladesh BAGH, Bangladesh Association of Greater Houston, Afghan Association, many other organizations. Previously, we have seen that those are the other organizations we did not cooperate with them. And when I came out, immediately I extended my hand. We had Mayor Iftar. Through Mayor Iftar and some other program, we extended our hand, and I'm trying to cooperate with all the other organizations. So they feel like part of this right now. They feel like that ISGH is in the like a mother organization, and all the organizations, they can also become member of ISGH and also be part of this. And that will show our strength actually in Houston. So ISGH is the main organization. They all agree. PAGH, BAGH, ICNA, MUNA, MAS, all the Islamic organization and the secular organization, they all actually came to one point that Islamic Society Greater Houston is their organization also. That's what I like to show to the people, and they all agree. But previously, what happened, I think previous administration or previous leader, they were too much busy about internal things, But I decided, I divided the work such a way that we have an executive board. We have General Secretary, Brother Muhammad Ali. We have Vice President, Brother Sayyid Muhyiddin. We have Treasurer, Imran Nathani. They are doing the internal job. Alhamdulillah. I'm doing mostly outside job and leadership job and outreach work, So that's the way it's showing too much right now, very much that ISGH is coming out and trying to work with everybody.